sides worthy of the biggest stage get ready to clash in front of a packed stadium.
A warm welcome to you and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray to bring you commentary along with England legend Sue Smith. We've got action from Major League Soccer coming up. How do you see this one going then, Sue?
Thanks, Guy. Well, both managers will be reminding the players that it's important to get off to a quick start, really attack the opposition and put them on the back foot from the off. Hopefully we'll get a good game.
Luis Perez. And ready for it coming his way. And here it comes. Oh dear, everything about that wrong. A poor example of how to head the ball. It looks the right ball. It's 1-0. The first blow struck very early.
Well, take a look at this. The manager won't be happy with how his team defended there. You've got to get rid. Show some fight when you're trying to win the ball back. It's just not good enough.
So it's 1-0 as the game restarts.
Number 13, Jordan Morris.
Arango. An attack of genuine promise now. Options available in the middle. And away from danger it goes. Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Good passing, not looking to force it just yet. And that's nice and easy for the goalkeeper. A move of real promise now. Perez. Luis Perez. A chance to deliver into the box.
Please meet your group at your seats.
A little wayward with the pass, and that'll be a throw-in. Perez. There's a sense of real urgency to this attack. And it's cleared away from goal. Lovely, incisive ball. Oh, against the bar. It's there, and it's a goal. That's a real settler for them. 2 in front now. So off we go, 2-0 the score now.
Number 13, Jordan Morris.
He's drifting into a useful position here. And the game stops with the award of a free kick. What a terrific effort. That would have been special.
Well, he watches the ball all the way, connects with it perfectly, but just can't find the accuracy. It's a great effort, though.
A move of real promise developing. Good defending to end a decent-looking attack. Arango. Passing and the movement is good here. Could get it over now. And the forward progress continues. The comeback could be on here. It's saved. Magnificent from the keeper.
Oh, that is a great save. It's so close to him. His reactions are quick, and that's really good goalkeeping.
And they decide against playing it in. Oh, there could be something from the cross here. Got his head to it, but couldn't keep the effort down. Away it goes. Well, as long as they keep the ball, they win the game. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. And that one goes out and away. And the defence has done its job to stop any trouble brewing. Arango. Moving the ball forward. What can they do with this? Delivered into the box. And cleared well away from goal. And it's on now. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. Arango. Now, can he get the cross in? Can he finish? No problem at all in keeping that one out. chance to get in behind with that. Oh dear, they won't get back into it missing those.
Oh, they definitely won't. It was a great opportunity to get themselves back into the game. And when you're down, it's all about being clinical when a chance comes.
And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end. Well, he's put in a thoroughly dominant... And we're back underway for the second 45. Oh, could be a chance here. And it's a pretty good save by the keeper. And it's a short one. That's a nice cutback. Well, in that sort of position, you simply have to get it closer than he did there. And that one's gone out. Throw in to come. The chance to cross here. Oh, a great chance. And that's not a bad save at all. Corner is fired in, and the corner comes to nothing. Good ball in behind. Well, he tried to put the hammer down on that one, and the result wasn't pretty. And it might not stay away from their goal long after that. Well, surely they need to play a little bit higher up the field. Making decent progress here. And that's not properly away yet. Well, the effort never really looked like troubling the goalkeeper at all. Poor attempt in the end. Some good work to win it there. An attack of genuine promise now. Oh, good strike! And that is one heck of a hit. It's flown past the keeper.
Well, here's the replay, and what a strike it is. It's such a long way out. There's so much to admire about the technique.
And we're back underway at 2-1 now. And he's beaten his man here. Oh, it's a superb reaction to win the ball this time. Arango. This could be dangerous. A move of real promise developing. Looks a good ball. The defense does its work. Perez. Christian Arango. Good patient build-up. Space now to get a crossover. Cuts it back. The defensive job done for now. Well, Jeff Shreves is right in the mix down there, and he can tell us more about the injury now.
50-50 this one. He twisted his knee. He's been trying out, but I'm not sure he can carry on.
Cheers, Jeff. Promising position, this. Strong play to keep possession. Now, can he get the cross in? This is really nice. Another goal now would mean real control. Vitor Costa. Arango. They've given it away here. Good run. Now, can he pick out the right option? Too much weight put on the pass. Goal kick. Now a sense that a late equaliser could be on the cards. And the promise of something happening is over. Full time is looming. A slender advantage, but not long to hold on to it now.
Well, marginally the better side, I'd say, Guy. Control parts of the game, and they have shown some quality in attack. They'll be disappointed with the goal they conceded, but if they can hold on for the win now, they'll be more than happy.
Christian Arango. Oh, worth a shot. And no scraps for the attackers to feed off. Hung on to the ball well. That's a good ball. Possession lost just at the point of something happening. Not long to go, but there could be something happening for them now. Decent chance, this. A body in the way. It's been delivered. Only half the job done there. Went for it, but not a... There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away. Not...